Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you this AI tool that feels illegal Wan 2.2 tutorial. So Wan 2.2 Animate can turn a single prompt into frame-perfect character animation in seconds. And today I'll show you how it works, how to make viral animation fast, and the one big ethical question you must think about. Let's go. So what is Wan 2.2? It is the latest animation-focused AI. It creates smooth character motions, lip sync, and camera moves from just text or a single reference image. So think animator-level output without the months of keyframing. So how to access it? You can just go to the official website of the Wan 2.2, this page right here. And then you can sign up. So don't follow dodgy downloads or cracks. That's illegal and risky. So you can just open this page, and once you're in, you can upload a reference image or start with a blank character. Choose the style and you are ready. So let's start. For example, in here, I'm going to add an image in here from my device. Let's say once right here, you can click on open, and here you can choose the style that you want, and also the character. You can choose whether it's video, image, or avatar, or image to video, effects, and everything. Okay, I'm going to just remove this, and let's try to create for skateboarding downhill city with smooth 24 fps and close up to white pan and upbeat sound music. Okay, you can choose whether you want to create a video, image, or avatar. I'm going to just go with video and choose the model in here and adjust the duration, the resolution, and here is the camera movement. So just tap on generate in here and just wait for the result. So while we wait for the result, I'm going to tell you the pro tips to make it go viral. So if you want to make it go viral, you can hook first 1 to 2 seconds. You can use a jump cut or dramatic camera zoom and add emotions and timing. So tell the AI exact beats, such as a beat at 1.2 seconds, and characters look up. And you can also use trending music and tight captions for TikTok or Shorts, and render short variants such as in 10, 6 tenths or 15 seconds. And for advanced editing, you can also add voice, lip sync, and dialogue. So you can drop in a TTS or 11 Labs voice file and enable the auto lip sync, and Wan 2.2 matches mouth shapes to audio. And for realism, you can add small facial micro expression, such as a prompt. You can add this prompt: subtle eyebrow raise at 0.8. You can also bring the clip into your editor, add audio, bed captions, speed ramps, and beat drops. You can export multiple aspect ratio for each platform. Okay, why does it feel illegal? Because this tag can recreate styles, mimic emotions, and even clone performance. So that raises real risk. copyright, likeness misuse, and deep fake problems. So don't forget to always use licensed assets and voices or get permissions. And don't impersonate real people. And check platform policy for commercial use. So breaking those rules is illegal and could get you banned or worse, so be responsible. Okay, so this is the result for the prompt that I use. Now you can use this video and upload it. You can click on this to download. If you want to download without watermark, then you need to join VIP in Wan 2.2. So that's Wan 2.2 feels illegal, but it's the future of content creations. Try the demo experiment safely and drop your best prompt in the comments. Smash like, subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next AI tool. I'll see you all on the next one. Bye!